Dartmoor Homestead, Narra Court, South Australia. Prestigious, gracious, historic. Set on 11,900 square metres in one of Narra Court's most prestigious areas, this gracious and historic property was originally built in 4 stages between 1842 and 1890. In recent years, the homestead, associated buildings and surrounds have undergone substantial restoration, refurnishing and upgrading to retain the historic feeling with all the modern conveniences. Set in a peaceful cul-de-sac, the property is complemented by roses, hedges, sweeping lawns, 2 spectacular heritage-listed gum trees and a cottage garden. Previously a successful bed and breakfast, Dartmoor Homestead has further potential as a retreat and with plenty of room for marquees as a reception venue.